Hi everybody, it's Nathan from Electrician, and today I'm going to be installing an outdoor double socket from an existing socket circuit. So we'll get straight to it. This is going to be the socket that we're coming from, hopefully. First we need to test it, make sure that the circuit's okay. There's a couple of tests we can do. And then we're going to go from here to an outdoor socket, and this wall, the customer didn't want us to make any mess here, and luckily we can drill straight through, bring the cable round, and it should be a fairly easy job. So from here, quickly show you the job. Just take my shoe covers off. Nip outside. So I think we're going to mount this double socket somewhere here. As you can see, it's not been rendered around there, so that'll be great. I'm not too worried about what it'll look like when it comes through with the house either. So I'm now just going to give this a quick test, make sure there's no faults on it. First thing I need to do is just prove that there's no voltage there. So I've turned off the circuit. I'll put a little look-off device on the circuit breaker just in case I flick it on by accident. Oh god, oh sorry. Nothing there. Dead as a dodo, that's what I like. So I'll just disconnect this really quickly. A bit of faffing with earths. Just split them, put a quick test on there. Fingers crossed everything's alright. This is the first time I've tested it. Make sure my leads are okay, which they are. Problem already. So we've got a problem already. So coming straight off of this socket won't really be safe, so we need to fix that fault first. So I've just done a bit of 5-10 minutes of testing. Tracked it down to sort of a local area. Happy days. I found it very quickly. Looks like that has snapped as it's been in the socket. Oh, just never connected, it looks like. There's nothing in there. Oh yeah, it's there. Happy days. Right, now that I think I've found the fault, I'll quickly retest this just to double check. Make sure we've got it. Fairly confident we will have. Yes, we do. Perfect. Perfect results. That's what we like. Great. Now that we've found that fault, we can start with the installation. I'm basically going to get a big drill out now, drill an hole through, get the cable round. Should be a good hour and it should be sort of pretty much finished. We do have the RCD to swap in the fuse board for the right type, and then we're going to add some surge protection as well. Right, that's pretty much it for inside. We've got this cable ready to go into this double socket. Also got this Hager double socket as per usual. What I really like about this is the fact that once it's on, you can lift it straight up like that. What I find is that a lot of outside double sockets don't really open up properly. They open up to sort of about here. You've got to crouch down. What you tend to find is that the hinges break because people just flex them just that little bit much, too much. But with them, you've got a problem. And there's no problem with leaving it open as well because it just shuts like that with a nice hinge. finishing on. One thing quickly to mention with these is, although that does shut, make sure that if you do have one of these, that you just click it shut there. Reason being, I've just been to a job recently. I wired a new circuit about maybe last year, 6 months ago. Electrics were tripping, and what had happened was this were like with bushes and stuff like that there. What we're getting in actually got inside the socket, so just make sure that's clipped. Wouldn't have happened otherwise. And yeah, I mean, as you can see, there's loads of things to sort of think about if you are installing an outdoor double socket. First of all, make sure the circuit's okay. Make sure you've got an RCD in place. Make sure you've got the right type RCD. Once you've sort of established that, you know, install your cable. Make sure your cable size is the right size, and then retest once it's done. If you have made it to end of this video, I'd say thanks for watching, and please either you can call us on 01274 358 444 if you want any more information on installing an outdoor double socket, or by all means comment. But thanks a lot.